In this video, I'm going to introduce sets. Now, a set is a collection or a group. Think of a set as a list. Say you were baking a cake. You have eggs, butter, milk, oil, flour, and sugar. And those are your ingredients. The notation for a set would be curly brackets surrounding that group or what's inside. So you have a curly bracket that opens up to the right and then a curly bracket that closes to the left. Another set could be the primary colors. That's just red, yellow, and blue. Notice that each member or item within the set is separated with a comma. Now in math, you're going to see sets with numbers. If I asked you to list the numbers starting at 5 and going until 8, you would just say 5, 6, 7, and 8. If I ask you to give me a set with positive even numbers, the first positive even number will be a 2. And then it goes to 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and so on. So to represent that this continues on, we are going to put 3 dots and then close the bracket. This is an ellipses, and it stands for and so on or continuing on. So technically there's infinitely many positive even numbers. Now if I asked you whole numbers between 0 and 100, you would start with 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's going to take me a while to reach 99 because that's the last whole number before we get to 100. I can use the ellipses inside of the set as well to show that it goes on and on and on until I reach 97, 98, 99. As long as the person reading your set can see that each number is increasing by 1 until you get to 99, then you can write your set. Let's look at 2 examples. If I ask you to write odd numbers are both negative and positive. So we would start with an ellipses and then do -5, -3, -1, 1, 3, 5, and then another ellipses to show that that continues on as well. If I asked you for whole numbers greater than 10 and less than greater than 10, it would start at the number 11, then go to 12, 13, and stop at 14 because 14 is the next number that's less than 15 before reaching 15. This second set on the page would be considered a finite set because it is a set that does not contain ellipses. That means that it does not continue on and there are only 4 members or items within this set, whereas up here there are infinitely many items in the set.